Well, here's the rain. Now it's a big old mud hole. So I can't drive out there. So I'll park up here and walk down. Alright guys, it's a little later in the day. You can probably hear the rain. It showed up this evening. So the show must go on. Luckily I'm in here. I'm not getting rained on as far as I can tell. I don't even know if this thing leaks, to be honest. I've never checked that ever. So as far as I know, it stays dry. And we got on kind of a downhill slant, so it should run off the back. But alright guys, there is the garbage. And there's a lot of garbage. So I'm going to take everything off, take this off, take the idler off, take the plug out. What is that, ambient temperature? Something like that. Sensor. Go get some purple power. Spray her down. Wash her off. Make it better. Because this is not okay. And I'll probably try to grind out a little ways in. Like I did the head. And do a little porty polish. Port match with the gasket on the ends here. And then I got the throttle body. Bigger throttle body I need to put in there. And port match that. Make sure that is great. Also have all these things here. This one goes to fuel pressure regulator. This one, I don't remember. That one's like the breather PCV valve on the valve cover. And that one was to some EPA fuel thingy, I think. I don't even know. I probably don't need them, so I need to cap them. But I don't know what to cap them with. I should weld them shut. But I don't have a TIG, so that won't happen right now. So that's the plan. We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna port stuff. We're gonna get it ready. The rain is kind of calmed down. It's still a little chilly, but it got the heater. Well, on my 6th, living the sweet life. Let's fix stuff. The manifold's been sitting outside, and it's full of water. Let's bring it in, clean it up, and work on it. Do a little port matching, do some other fun stuff with that. Finish up today's episode with that. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe. If you think these things are beneficial or you don't, comment below. Tell us what you think down below. Here we go. Alright, again, sorry for the noise, but here's our culprit. As you see, it's soaking wet and it got full of water. I don't have my degreaser with me. I don't really have any cleaning product. So I'm just going to try to wipe it down, the surfaces and the ports, and up here. You'll see I got my big throttle body. Let's first check these suckers out. Okay, stock. Not stock. This one literally fits inside that one. So that's off of old Type RB16 EK stone. Took it off when I sold the car for parts and the motor and the swap to a friend of mine. So I do have the gasket still, which I need to remake. It did get ripped, but I have gasket maker. I'm just going to make one. That should be an easy traceable gasket. And again, there's a huge difference with these two.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see
Okay, first off, look at the difference when I open the sucker up. Holy smokes! I don't even think I can like remove that much material to make it match up. But I'm gonna try. That's a lot to remove. That's insane. I definitely don't want to remove stuff up top. There's little things in the background here. You see those? I don't want to hit those. So I'm gonna mark this. It's pretty even, pretty far back right there. I want to see what I can remove. That will definitely be a lot more air if I can get that throttle body to work. We'll see how it goes.
From the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony. Don't you see? This is where you want to be. When you leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa.
Alright, there's definitely a good start. A little whoopsie there. These other ones aren't too bad. That one was with the cutting wheel. So I've definitely removed some material. I've definitely made that a bit larger. I want to go more. I have to be careful on this side because it's not that thick. So I might just bevel this edge right here a little bit more just so I don't mess with making it too thin. Down here's those bumps. So I can make it just a hair deeper right here. I should be able to do the top a little bit more and I should be able to do all that bottom. But the bottom, see how thick that is? You can see all the shiny stuff. So I've caved it in, beveled it out all the way down inside to help open up this throttle body. So definitely want to do it on the throttle body, and I need to do it on the intake side with the new intake manifold gasket. Alright guys, so here is the fancy gasket, the ceramic gasket. As you can tell, they are really close to each other, so that's good. There's very little that I need to fix on this, so that's good. and we can fix the little bit of things really easy, really quickly. Make sure they all match up and flow great together.
From the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony. Don't you see? This is where you want to be. When you leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong.
Alright guys, I think you got a matching pretty good. So now all I gotta do is take this gasket, put on the head, and make sure these ports match that. So it'll be a little bit better flow. So definitely some good progress today. Not done, but it's very late. I need to get home. Let's put this up here. Getting better. There's definitely more to come. I need to get the bigger bit with the drill so that I can remove some material faster on those thicker parts. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that little snippet. Something that you can easily do in your house with the Dremel set, the little kind of diamond bits, sandpaper, cutting blades. I tried a whole bunch of different things to see what the best result was. The cutting blade definitely took off material faster. The really coarse sandpaper was also really good. The little metal cutting edges, they clogged up and dulled really fast. Same with the stone. So I think this little sanding pieces and the actual cutting blades did the best job for it. So there it is. My intake is coming along. I have my fuel stuff ready to go on it when it's ready. As you saw, I had that intake manifold gasket all matched up with the ports, and I have quite a bit ways to go. This big sun gun, but it'll be worth it. More air, more boost, right? Yeah. So pretty good progress. The rain's calmed down a hair, so it's not as loud. But hey, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. Shout out to Youngstatic. He said I could get the shirts dirty when I work. That just means we're really building to drive. So don't miss it. There's going to be a lot more to come. So make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, we got 3-ish or so weeks to get everything in order. Make sure it's all running and driving. And there's a lot going on. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below what you like most about this, or if you've done this yourself. Till next time.